This week's top stories. Pattenmakers begin search for future FM leaders. The worshipful company of Pattenmakers is looking for FM professionals early in their careers to nominate themselves for the Future Leader FM Award 2025. The winner will receive a £500 training bursary and support to create a bespoke personal development program to the value of £2,000. Revolut to relocate its global HQ to Canary Wharf. Neobank Revolut has committed to a 10-year lease on the YY London building in Canary Wharf. Despite being a remote-first company with over a third of its workforce based outside of London, Revolut aims to use the new space for product launches, workshops, and team-building activities. NHS Maintenance Assistant celebrates National Healthcare Estates and Facilities Day. Christine Latham, a maintenance assistant working for NHS Property Services, is developing her career to become a qualified plumber. NHS Property Services is highlighting Christine's story to mark National Healthcare Estates and Facilities Day, an awareness event to recognise the work of facilities professionals in the healthcare sector.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.